Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a logo on Canva. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. You can see that I have already opened Canva. You must also do the same. Open any type of browser on your PC and then open canva.com. Go ahead and log into your account, and what you need to do is click on Create a Design, which is right over here on the right hand side. Tap on Create a Design and then click on Logo, which you can see over here. After that, we must create some logos, and you can see the templates option over here. If you want to make the logo look attractive, you can search for the template. So I'm going to make a logo for my cosmetic shops. So I'll go ahead and search for cosmetics. And you can see there are some of the templates which are already been used. So you can see to download this you need the pro version, but you can see you can download all of these for free. So let's go ahead and try this over here. After I click on this logo over here, or you can see that there are two options or two colors. You can click on one of these and it is fully editable now. Now let's go ahead and edit this. Let's go ahead and write the name of our cosmetics. So let's go ahead and write the name. And you can see the tagline over here. Just go ahead and edit it. You can drag and drop it over here. And there you go. One of your logo is already ready. Go ahead and click on Share, which is over here. And you can now download this logo. So you can see the file type over here. The suggested is PNG or JPG. You can click on this and you can click download, which is over here. Go ahead and click on download, wait for a while, and your logo has been made. So you can see that this is not SD, but if you want the SD version of the logo, you must have the paid version of Canva. But if you don't want to do that and want to do this normally, this is the easiest option. Let's go ahead and teach you how you can create another logo. Click on Create a Design, tap on Logo. On the left hand side of your screen is the edit page. You can see some of the templates over here. You can search for anything and it will over here. If you want to make a gaming logo or something like that, just go ahead and search for gaming. And you can see some of the top designs over here. If you want to add your own elements to your logo, you can see there are a lot of elements you can add. And if you want to add your own text for your brand or for your title of your company, you can see that you can add it like this. So let's suppose I want to create my own logo over here. So this is the text for my logo. I'll go ahead and search for the element now. So I'm going to create a logo which has something of football in it. So I'll go ahead and search for football over here. You can see some of these are paid and some of it are not. So just go ahead and drag and drop it. You can see this logo is starting to be ready. I'm going to go ahead and change the text over here. So I'll select this one over here first of all and write something like this. You can also customize the font size over here. So just go ahead and align it and make it look attractive enough. Let's go ahead and change this as well. So there you go. This logo has been completed. Go ahead and click on Share, which is over here. You can now share it with your contacts, or you can share it on social media, or you can download it on your PC as well. Go ahead and click on download. You can select the file type over here as well. After you have selected it, go ahead and click on download. So the logo has been created. You can click on open file for the logo and you can now use this logo. This is how you can create a logo on Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.